So I've just got a tumble dryer, it's a condenser tumble dryer. The make Swan, and it's the STC7020W. So just some quick things about it. That's where the water containers kept, in here. I've only just got this today, like I said, so just learning some things. I've never had a condenser dryer before. The last one was a vented one, so this is quite new to me. But so that's the water container. This is where the air condenser is kept, at the bottom here. So you just unclip it by pressing these two down. Opens up to reveal that there, and you just push these down to let it open it up. Push that down, push that up, pull it out. So at the minute, in fact, let's have a look at the programs. So cotton on that side, and then you can choose standard, blah 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 blah. Synthetics on this side. You can choose what you need. Then you got the option to delay it if you want to. 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours. Child lock, filter, full, anti-crease, and on off. Start to pause. I'll give you a quick look at the programs in the booklet. Shows you pause the video if you need to have a look properly. Just some instructions on the table, program table. Tells you what to put in. Just a guide really. Do what you see is fit for you. I'm just going to open the door. There's got a light inside here. So when you open the door, the light comes on. And this is a 8 kilogram drum as well. So as you can see, that's nowhere near 8 kilograms of clothes. I've just got a couple of clothes in there. So when you close the door, the light turns off. So I'm just going to put that on a synthetic standard and just press the start button so you can hear how loud it is. Only downside I'd say is you can't see how long is left for drying, so you don't know how long is left on it. So yeah, I just keep this in the garage. There's no need for me to really know how long. I just put it in the garage, turn it on, and I'll come and check it in an hour, 2 hours. Take it from there. So I've only just got it today, so I'll let you know how it goes.